Sairam students, today in English period we will revise grammar. As you have seen in the previous period we have started revision and we already revised our NV and composition topics. So let's get started and let's revise the grammar topics today. So before that, just have a look what portion is there for grammar. Children, we have subject verb agreement, adverbs, conjunctions, interjections. These four topics are there for our essay 2 grammar. Okay, so let's start. Choose the correct option. First sentence is the entire team dash coming to the meeting. Option A, B, C are given. You have to think about the correct answer and then we have to click on it. Now children, this question is from the topic subject verb agreement. In this topic we have learned that the subject, if the subject is in singular form, the verb also should be in the singular form. If the subject is in plural, then the verb also must be in plural form only. So here we have to see the entire team dash coming to the meeting. So which is the subject? Yes, team is the subject. So which will be the verb here? Let's see the options: is, am or are. So the verb, the subject team is in singular form or plural? Many players together make one team. So the subject team is in singular form. So we have to find the option which is having singular verb. So is, am, are. So which is the correct answer? Option A, is the correct answer. The entire team is coming to the meeting. Next question. He woke up late. Identify the kind of adverb. In the chapter adverbs, we have already studied the word which gives more information about the action which is taken place in the sentence is called as adverb. And different types of adverbs we have studied in this chapter. Remember? Adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of time. Isn't it? So just remember that and find out the correct answer if you can. He woke up late. Identify the kind of late. Now which word is underlined in this sentence? Late. So late is the adverb obviously. So you have to find out which kind of adverb it is. Option A, is it adverb of time? Option B, adverb of manner? Or option C, adverb of place? We have studied that when we ask the question with when is the action taken place? And if you get the answer correctly, then it is adverb of time. If you ask the question by how the action taken place, then it is the adverb of manner. And when you ask the question with where and if you get the correct answer, then it is the adverb of place. So apply this rule and just find out. It will be easy for you. Here you are. Option A, adverb time is correct. When did he wake up? He woke up late. So adverb of time it is. So we have clicked on option A. Next question. He was standing outside. Pick out the adverb of place. Now in this sentence, which is the word that is adverb of place? Option A, he. Option B, outside. Or option C, standing. Of course, option A will not be there because he is a pronoun. Standing also will not be there because it's a verb. Then option B, outside will be the correct answer. At the same time, it is answering the question where. Where was he standing? He was standing outside. So it is the adverb of place. So we have clicked on option B. Third question. Ram dash shut the door. Fill in the blanks with correct adverb. Option A clearly, option B extremely, or option C quietly. Ram clearly shut the door, Ram extremely shut the door, or Ram quietly shut the door. Which is the best suited answer here? Very good. Option C, Ram quietly shut the door. Next question. Raju will stand first in the class. Dash he works hard. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. In the chapter conjunctions, we have studied conjunctions are the joining words which joins to group of words, two words, two phrases or two sentences. And, still, but, either or, this type of so many examples we have studied in this chapter with many examples. So let's see which is the correct answer here. Option A and option B if, or option C or. Raju will stand first in the class and he works hard, if he works hard, or he works hard. And the answer is if he works hard. When will Raju stand first in the class? If he works hard. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. Do your work, I shall punish you. Choose the correct option where conjunction is used correctly. Do your work, I shall punish you. So option A, do your work and I shall punish you. Option B, do your work or I shall punish you. Or option C, do your work but I shall punish you. And the answer is option B, because in this sentence, both the sentences are joined correctly. Do your work or I shall punish you. Next sentence. He is rich, is dishonest. Fill in the blank with suitable conjunction. Option A if, option B but, or option C or. Option B is the correct answer. He is rich but is dishonest. Next question. Dash she is dead. Fill in the blank with suitable interjections. Interjections are the words which are used to show strong feelings. Isn't it? That's what we studied. So, bravo, she is dead. Alas, she is dead. Or, hush, she is dead. Option B is the correct answer. Alas, she is dead. Alas is the expression we use to show grief. Next question. Dash the baby is sleeping. Fill in the blank with suitable interjection. Wow, the baby is sleeping. Or ouch, the baby is sleeping. Or hush, the baby is sleeping. Yes, option C is the correct answer. So children, this way we have covered our all the topics with 3 to 5 examples in today's revision. So let's stop here children. Sai Ram.